For more than 20 years, Solar Turbines and Penn State have pushed the boundaries of turbo machinery technology, driving the next generation of energy solutions. Working together, students and engineers collaborate on products that power our world.
Solar Turbines is giving our students a number of real-world problems to work on. Our students are really driven by those real-world problems, and it's so exciting for them to be able to work closely with engineers from Solar Turbines to learn from them.
Solar engineers work with students on advances in turbine aerodynamics, heat transfer, combustion, and additive manufacturing.
The fundamental work we do with laser diagnostics and fluid mechanics and some chemistry directly impacts the way that engineers design combustors at Solar Turbines.
Solar Turbines provides us with access to the practical problems. And so I think sometimes when you're in academia, you can kind of get lost. You're looking at some very technical, precise thing that may be only of interest to a very small part of your field. But if you work with people who are in industry, they put you in touch with what the real problems are, and they kind of help keep you on track in that way.
Additionally, Penn State is powered by Solar's Tor 70 gas turbine, allowing for a unique hands-on opportunity for learning.
We feel like we're making a really direct impact into the product. There's a lot of interplay between us and the engineers. They ask us questions and we solve them in the lab, and the results we get in the lab can sometimes have an impact next day in an engine test in San Diego.
Solar and Penn State are proud to drive the future of gas turbine development.